How to find my Edward Jones account number. Follow my instructions. If you're having trouble locating your Edward Jones account number, don't worry, it's easy to find once you know where to look. Here's how to do it in 2025, step by step. First, open the Edward Jones website or the mobile app. Log in with your username and password. Once logged in, you'll land on your account dashboard. Now look for the section that says Accounts or Portfolio. Tap or click on the account you want to check. Your full account number may be shown at the top or under Details. If only a partial number is shown for security, click View Account Details to see the full number. Still can't find it? Check your monthly statement, available under Documents. You'll see the full account number at the top of the PDF. You can also call Edward Jones Support. They'll verify your identity and give you the number securely. And that's how you find your Edward Jones account number in 2025. Thanks for watching.